Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today we are diving into the world of reflective learning for students. Reflective learning is a powerful tool that can help students gain a deeper understanding of their learning process and improve their academic performance. Reflective learning is an essential skill for students to develop as it encourages critical thinking, self-awareness, and continuous improvement. By engaging in reflective practice, students can evaluate their strengths and weaknesses, set goals for their learning, and monitor their progress. This self-assessment allows students to take control of their learning journey and become more proactive in their academic goals. One of the key advantages of reflective learning is its ability to enhance retention and understanding of information. By reflecting on their learning experiences, students can make connections between new information and existing knowledge, leading to a deeper understanding of the material. Additionally, reflective learning promotes higher order thinking skills such as analysis, synthesis, and evaluation, which are crucial for academic success. Now let's explore some real-life examples of how students can incorporate reflective learning into their everyday studies. For instance, after completing a challenging assignment, students can take some time to reflect on what went well, what could have been improved, and what strategies were most effective. This process not only reinforces learning but also helps students identify areas for growth and development. Another example is keeping a reflective journal where students can document their thoughts, feelings, and insights about their learning experiences. This practice can help students track their progress, set goals, and identify patterns in their learning behavior. In conclusion, reflective learning is a valuable tool that can empower students to take ownership of their learning and foster a deep understanding of complex material.
So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.